Hi guys. So we're going to do a demo.
I think okay. Okay, yeah, Johan, you can continue.
So we're going to do a short demo of our application, and your feedback will be highly appreciated. And yeah, we're going to show you the process of using Timerr marketplace. And I think based from this, you will be able to see how close we are to like have a full traction with our application. We're very excited to show you guys what we have, and we will appreciate all your feedbacks. And yeah, let's do it. So first of all, I will try to log in with a wallet that doesn't have a timer, so that you will see the error if, for example, I don't have enough timer. So I don't have enough timer and I want to become a service provider. So for example, I am a Twitter influencer and would do promo tweets, and I speak English, for example, and maybe Spanish, Portuguese, and I submit. See, I get an error. You need at least $250 worth of timer. So I cannot become a seller unless I am an NFT holder of a timer choice, or I am whitelisted in our top 100 holders. I have top 100 influencers, or I hold 250 worth of timer. But I can use the app without any problem. I can continue with my order. I will be able to order everything if I want to order. So yeah, I mean, you can use the app, but you cannot become a seller unless you have enough timer. So I will now log in with a user that has timer. So I'll just stop the share. I'll just log in quickly with an account that has a timer. Just 2 minutes. I'll just log in with, because it's checking for your timer balance before you can post. So now I'm logging in with an account that has enough timer, enough worth of timer, 250 worth of timer. So I log in, I connect my wallet. Then it will pop up here. I need to sign. And yes, so now I am trying to become a seller. I am a Twitter influencer and would do promo tweets for your token. So I select English and submit. Now I have enough timer now. So I should be able to continue. See, I don't have any errors. And I will just wait, and I should get a pop-up that I have applied successfully. Click on submit. Okay. Yeah, so there's an application successful. Your application has been successfully created. Now, basically, I will, because I'm also the admin, I will approve the application of the user, because right now I am still not a seller. I'm not yet a seller. So yes, so I'm not yet a seller, so I will approve it from my admin account. So I'll just log out here quickly. And yeah, just 1 minute. I'll just enter my admin account. This admin account, we will also show you how many applicants are there right now, and you will be surprised of how many applicants we have to become a seller. So this is where we verify the user, and if 1 minute, I'll be sharing my screen again. So this is where I have enough. I have the admin account. So this is our admin profile. So I just need to sign. So this is only accessible by admin users. See, these are the applications that we have right now. So if you count, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 applications right now that wants to apply as a timer. So I can check it or I can reject it. So this is my application. This is the user. I can change the user to a seller or a normal user. So I'll just approve it as a seller. So user has been promoted to a seller. Now that user is now a seller. So I can log in again to that account. Okay, so I'll just have to stop the share. And then I'll just enter my key phrase for that account. So I'm now a registered seller after I have been approved by one of our admins. So yeah, so after being approved, I can now log in back to the application. And now I am a service provider. So as you can see, become a seller is no longer available. I already have the ability to post a service, and there's also my username here. And then later on, you will see instructions here on how to post your services. So how to optimize your visibility. So now, yeah, you can even change your profile. You can change your profile, your account. You can change your account here. You can change your avatar. You can change your account, Mr. Bullish, your Telegram name, your country, USA, for example, apply. And then, yeah. So now, yes, you can directly post a service. So you have here your service. You have Twitter influencer. So I will post Twitter uh, promo post for your token, and you can put your thumbnail here. For example, go to Imgur. We can upload some photo here. Mm, You can use this. Then you need to copy the image address. Then you can post your it should be having the PNG at the end so that you can create. And yeah, if you want to add a service, you need to add a package. So basically, the package is like a basic and standard and premium. So this becomes more expensive, more number of days for each package. So we have here first, just the first package, for example, how long it will be delivered, 1 day. And then the price, for example, I'll just set it to $1 for now, but later on you can definitely depends on the Twitter influencer. Usually they charge maybe one BNB. We will have BNB here or BUSD later on as well, and Timerr as well. And for example, pin on my profile for 24 hours is an additional $1. So yes, so this is my service now. Yeah, so I created my first service. And when I go to my account, I can see my services here. I am a Twitter influencer and I can edit it. Now people can order my service. Yeah, so I think, yeah, it should be here. Yeah, Twitter influencer. Here, Twitter influencer. So if someone orders it, I think Riff, we can try to order it from your side.
I'll share my screen now.
So yeah, we're gonna test the full flow. So I posted the service. I registered as a service. I approved it. Now,
Johan, can you allow me to share the screen?
yeah, let me give you the permission to allow make host, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, now I can share the screen. Let me know when you can see my screen.
Yeah. You can see your screen.
Okay, so I already logged in into the using, so let me log out and try again. So this is the first homepage. Now I want to buy the service which Johan has created. I will log into the using the my wallet. Just hold on. Just hold on. It's on the mobile. I'm opening the MetaMask. Yeah, so I got the message. So okay, here we can see that now I am able to log in. I'll log in into the platform. Now I want to buy the any services. I can browse with whatever I want, or I can search. Right, nothing like that. This one was there, right?
Okay, let me know when you order.
Okay, so this service I'm buying, I can I want to order this service and the extra pin message as well. I need to provide my Telegram ID and I'll proceed to payment.
All right.
Okay, so I got the confirmation. I'm just confirming my payment into the MetaMask.
By the
Transaction
way,
has been
guys, this is
submitted.
not yet charged to the. This is only sent to the contract, right, Riff? After this.
Yeah. So basically, that whatever the money I have paid, it went to the contract, not to the seller. So yeah. Okay. So now it should be under the pending.
Yeah, you can share
This
your
is
screen.
my service. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, and then we can chat maybe under
So
my.
here, yeah, here we can check.
How can I help you? For example, so you can chat with the
Yeah.
seller.
Yeah, so basically we can, the seller and the buyer, they can have the communication on the platform using, after the placing the order, right, Johan?
Yes, so that we can avoid issues where like they will order but they will chat but they will not order, or they will basically there's some things that we need to verify before someone will be able to chat. Anyway, we can adjust the service. If they don't want the service, we can cancel it or reject it, and then the user will be refunded his payment.
Okay, so basically it's a depend on the seller that he is accepting or the rejecting the
Yeah, I will show
buyer
that.
order.
I
You
will
can
also
share
show
screen if
that.
you.
I will share the screen, and also if we don't let me. Okay, did you give me this post? All right. So can you see my screen now? So this is the screen now under client orders. I will be able to see the pending orders from the clients. Um, we're also planning to implement a notification system so that you will be notified that there's someone who ordered from your service, so that you can check it. So this is the order. I can see that, yes, 18. So 18 UTC, I can accept it or I will reject it. As you can see, I have here $2, and the platform fees are successfully deducted. But later on, it will be actually to the seller. The seller will be deducted. So this is one issue we're trying to fix, and we will be fixing it definitely as soon as the APIs are fixed. And I can accept or reject it. Once I accept it, basically it will go to my accepted orders. So guys, this is the future. Everything is written on the blockchain. It's like a real life. It's a real life contract. And yes, so now the order has been accepted. So I have 18 UTC. I need to do the work. So I can tweet his account. What would he like to tweet? Okay, I can ask him, what would you like me to tweet? Then we can add here later on a touch file so that the users can attach the file. What would you like me to tweet? Okay, let me get the details and then I will tweet it for him. Some timer tweet maybe. And then we can tweet the work. So while we're waiting, we can see here that there will be the order number, the service number. I can also message the guy via Telegram. And so yeah, we're just waiting for his tweet. And also, I can see my client's orders here. I can see the accepted
Yeah,
one.
so I posted the detail just for the,
Okay.
yeah.
So yeah, Timerr just broke the resistance. For example, I will tweet these. Okay. So I'll tweet it for him. And once I'm done with the tweet, I can deliver the work to him. This is my tweet. So yeah, so we need to, yeah, I already delivered the work. So yeah, it should be under my delivered work. As you can see, he will be receiving it. Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, I'll share my screen.
All right, 1 minute. I'll just stop my screen share. So I already
Right.
delivered the
So,
work.
sorry, Johan, you need to make me the.
Yeah. Okay. Make host. I
Yeah,
think
sorry.
I can make you a co-host next time. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, now I can see. Okay, I'll share my screen. Okay, so again, I will come to the. So
Should be
home. Yeah,
order.
orders. Yeah, I will see that. Okay, it's under the delivered.
So
So here I can, yeah,
you can continue to chat actually.
yeah.
I delivered the work. For example, I delivered the work. So you can check the
I can
delivery.
check under the delivery.
You can open it to check if it's okay. Yeah, so yeah, I already tweeted it. Now the buyer can
Okay.
accept or claim. Yeah, so after these, definitely we will add the reviews after the next phase. So we will add the review option. But now,
Okay, so I can claim now.
yeah, you can claim now.
Okay. So basically that now I'm giving the rights, the contract to pay the basically the 2 USD to the Johan's account. Right,
Yes,
Johan?
yes. So I
Okay.
will be able to receive the account.
Okay, that it's been claimed.
Yeah,
Okay, so basically that here I can see that it has been claimed and that Johan must would have received the 2 BSD.
yes. So I think I'll share my screen to show them that I received the 2 USD. So now, yeah, someone claimed already, and I should have gotten $2 in my 2 BUSD in my account. I have a lot, but let me check. $124. I didn't know that, but yeah. Let me check the transactions on BSC scan. I think I should be able to see that I received $2, right?
Yeah.
From the contract. So here, see, $2 I received, delivery accepted. I successfully received $2 for my work. So yes, that's like the current platform. We can the dispute is are also working, but there's like limited uh, options for the dispute. But the successful order, as you saw, is working. I just need to adjust the platform fees. Should be charged to the seller, not to the buyer, and some GUI changes like BUSD should be properly displayed instead of dollars, so that you know it's being charged in BUSD. But basically, we're also working on notifications so that you will be notified. And yes, I think that's what we're in so far. So,
So
any
if I
questions?
quickly, so basically before we go for the question session, that I think if we quickly recap, then we have been going through that first, that seller without the timer, that they can't, they have to hold the enough timer to become a seller. That scenario we have covered. Then we have covered the how the seller can set up their profile, then how it will go to the admin and admin will approve or the reject, and then seller can create the services, right? Yeah, and seller can create services, and the buyer can buy the services. They can claim, they can buy the services. It will show under the pending as a part of the order, and then both they, after the placing the order, they can have the communication on the platform itself. Then seller has to accept it, the work, and once he deliver the work, it will be under the deliver for the buyer, and the buyer and the seller both. And then buyer has to claim, and they in between they can communicate between whatever the communication they want to do. They can do the via the platform itself, and they can claim in the successful, if that everything is okay, they can claim, and the money will from the contract, it will transfer to the seller
Yeah.
seller
Yeah.
account.
As you can see, I received $2. So later on, it will be bigger amounts for sure. But
Yeah.
yeah, that's what is working right now. I
Yeah,
think
but the beauty is that everything is on the blockchain between the contract.
yes, like there's a like a safe contract that is managing everything before because what's happening right now, like you transfer funds to the seller, and then he deletes his telegram, right? And
Yeah.
he deletes the chat, and you don't get what you paid for. So right now, after you transfer the amount to the seller, unless he delivers your product, your service, he cannot get the amount, but it will be under his earnings, like it will be under his spending, like it is under the contract. The contract is holding it before sending it to the seller. He needs to deliver the work first. So this is a really like difficult process that has been successfully done by our developers in a very short time, right? I mean, for
Yeah,
me,
definitely.
it's really
Definitely.
amazing. Yeah, so we have the escrow ready. I mean, thinking of it, I think this is like really huge for us. I think we just need to like test it with the real influencers. And yeah, for any questions, you can go back to the VC, talk about it there. And yeah, we'll be open for any questions.
So thanks, guys. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much.